Hi everyone. In the last session we had discussed on how to prepare the stock levels. Okay, the fixation of the stock level. Okay, so in the last class we discussed the formulas of reorder level as well as the minimum stock level, maximum stock level and the average stock levels. Okay, so now in this session we will solve one problem on the stock levels. Okay, so now see, this is the problem number 1. The two components of A and B are used as follows. Okay, so there are two components, A component and the B component. Okay, so now see, the normal usage 50 units per week each. Okay, so 50 units. Okay, so 50 units for A purpose as well as the B purpose. Okay, so it is the normal usage. Okay, so next one is your minimum usage. So minimum usage 25 units per week each. Okay, so this is the minimum usage. How many units? 25 units. Okay, so next maximum usage 75 units per week each. Next reorder quantity for A purpose 400 units and for B purpose 600 units. Okay, so this is the reorder quantity. Okay, so next reorder period A purpose, it's a 4 to 6 weeks, means the 4 is the minimum and the 6 is the maximum for the A purpose, and for the B purpose minimum is 2 and the maximum is 4 weeks. Okay, so this is the data to fixation of the stock level. So with the help of this data we have to prepare what's the reorder level, minimum level, maximum level and the average stock level. Okay, so now see, you know how to prepare these stock levels. Okay, so first one is we will prepare what? Reorder level. Okay, so we have to ascertain this. Just here, reorder level is equal to, the formula is what's? Maximum consumption into maximum delivery period. Okay, so now see, this maximum consumption into maximum delivery period. Okay, so now this maximum consumptions is given in the problem. Okay, so the maximum consumption is what? So see here, maximum usage. Okay, what? Maximum usage means what's? Maximum consumption. So maximum usage, how many units? 75 units. Okay, so there are two components, a component A and the component B. Okay, so first of all we have to prepare the separate for the A components and B separate. Okay, so for the A components, how many units maximum consumption? 75 units into maximum delivery period. Okay, so the delivery period is given what's? Reorder period for A purpose 4 to 6 weeks, means 6 is what's? Maximum delivery period. Okay, so this 6 is taken, 6 weeks is equal to 450 units. It means what? 75 units into 6 weeks is equal to 450 units. Okay, for the B purpose the same, maximum consumption is a 75 units. It is a each, it's, they say what's the each means what? For the A purpose as well as B purpose. Okay, maximum is 75 units, so 75 units into 4 weeks. Okay, so how it's 4 weeks? So this here maximum delivery period for the B. Okay, so the B is 2 is a minimum weeks and the 4 is a maximum weeks. Okay, so this 4 is taken here, so 75 into 4 weeks is equal to how many units? 300 units. Okay, so like this we have to ascertain what's the reorder level. Okay, so next, what's the minimum stock level? So now how to prepare this minimum stock level? What's the formula? Reorder level minus, in bracket, normal usage into normal delivery period. Okay, what's the reorder level minus, in bracket, normal usage into normal delivery period. Okay, so now see this reorder level. First of all, keep in mind there are two components, component A and the component B. Okay, so separate we have to prepare A component, separate we have to prepare B component. Okay, so now see what is the reorder level for the A purpose. So reorder level we ascertained. So see here, reorder level for the A, how many units? 450 units. Okay, so 450 units minus normal usage. Okay, so the normal usage is given, so it means normal usage 50 units per week. Okay, so this 50 is taken into what's? Normal delivery period. Okay, so the normal delivery period means what? It is and the average delivery period. Okay, so average, how to ascertain this average? The minimum is given and the maximum is given. Okay, so but not the average given, so this average we have to ascertain. So now how to ascertain? So for that purpose working note is there, okay, to prepare what's normal delivery period. Okay, so just see here, working note number 1, calculation of normal delivery period. Okay, so normal delivery period is equal to minimum delivery period plus maximum delivery period divided by 2. Okay, divided by 2. So this is the formula to ascertain what's normal delivery period. Okay, so now see, for the A purpose, what's the minimum delivery period? 4 plus maximum delivery period 6 divided by 2. Okay, so 4 plus 6 is equal to 10 divided by 2. Normal delivery period is what's 5 weeks. Okay, how many weeks? 5 weeks. Okay, for this B purpose, that is we have to prepare. So minimum delivery period for the B purpose 2 plus maximum delivery period 4 divided by 2. It means 4 plus 2 is equal to 6 divided by 2. How many weeks? 3 weeks, means normal delivery period for the B purpose. Okay, so now see, the second one is what's minimum stock level. Reorder level we got here, we ascertain for the A purpose is 450 minus in bracket normal usage. In the problem, normal usage is given how many units? 50 units, just 50 units into normal delivery period, and normal delivery period we ascertain 5. Okay, 5 weeks. Okay, so now just solve it. 450 in bracket minus in bracket 50 into 5. This first of all we have to solve. So this 450 as it is take minus this, after solution this answer will come 250. Okay, so now minus it, 450 minus 250, remaining will be the 200 units. Okay, so for this 200 units for the minimum stock level for the A purpose. Okay, what will be the B purpose? The reorder levels, and we ascertain the reorder level 300 units. So 300 units minus the normal usage as it is in the problems, normal usage 50 units. So this 50 units into normal delivery period, and we ascertained in a working note for the B purpose it's a 3 weeks. Okay, so now see, this 300 take is as it is minus in bracket, just so you have to solve this bracket, 50 into 3, it's a 150. Okay, so now minus it, 300 minus 150, the answer will be the 150 units for the minimum stock level of for the B purpose. Okay, so this is about the minimum stock level. Next one is what's maximum stock level. What is the formula? In bracket reorder level plus reorder quantity bracket complete minus in bracket minimum consumption into minimum delivery period. Okay, what minimum delivery period? It's not the it's not the maximum or it's not the average, it's the minimum, and the minimum is given in the problem. Okay, so just see here, reorder level we ascertain for the B purpose, it's a 450 plus reorder quantity is given in the problem. Just here, reorder quantity for the A purpose, it's a 400 units. Okay, so take it 400 bracket complete minus in bracket what? Minimum consumptions, and the minimum consumption is given just here 25 units per week each. So take it 25 units into what? Minimum delivery period, and the minimum delivery period is given how many? Minimum delivery period, it's a 4. Okay, minimum is what's 4, just here 4 it's a minimum and 6 is a maximum. So 4 it's we have to take as a minimum. Just here now solid, 450 plus 400 it's a 850 minus 25 into 4 it's a 100. Okay, so now minus it, 850 minus 100, the total answer will be the 750 units. Okay, so like this we have to say you have to solve for the B components. Okay, so reorder level we ascertain the 300 plus reorder quantity in the problem given for the B purpose, what's the how many units? 600 units. Just see here, 600 units minus 25, it's what? Minimum consumption in the problem is given, and into minimum delivery period 2. Okay, so minimum delivery period is 2 given for the B. Okay, so 2 it's a minimum, 4 it's a maximum. Okay, so now just solve it. So 300 plus 600 it's a 900 minus in bracket 25 into 2, so it's a 50. Just here 50, so 900 minus 50, remaining answer will be the 850 units. Okay, so now we will solve average stock. Okay, so average stock, what's the formula? Minimum stock plus maximum stock divided by 2. Okay, So minimum stock plus maximum stock divided by 2. Okay, so for we have to prepare for the A component and for the B component. Okay, so now what will be the minimum stock for the A? So we ascertained, just see here, minimum stock for the A purpose is how many units? 200 units. So see here, 200 units plus maximum stock, just see here, maximum stock we ascertain for the A purpose how many units? 750 units. So see here, 750 units divided by 2. Okay, so 200 plus 750 is equal to 950 divided by 2. Answer will be the 475 units. Okay, so now for the B purpose, what's the minimum stock? It's a 150 plus maximum stock, it's a 850. Just here, 850 divided by 2. Okay, so 150 plus 850 is equal to 1000 divided by 2. The answer will be the 500 units. Okay, and so this is the working note for the calculation of the normal delivery period. Okay, so like this we have to solve, so it will come for the 5 marks. Okay, so it's very important, but you should know the formulas. What's the formula of the reorder level, what's the formula of the minimum stock level, what's the formula of the maximum stock level, as well as the what's the formula for the average stock level. Okay, so I hope all of you will understand this. Okay, so thank you.